Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a flexi rod set on your weave or your natural hair. I'm not going to be doing curls this time. I'm going to be doing more so of a wave. So first I'm just going to split my hair into two sections and make sure they're even, or at least even enough. And then I'm going to divide one of my sections into two separate sections, which is going to give me a total of 4 sections. Then I'm just going to comb out the section that I'm working with first, which is going to be my front section, and I'm going to use my flexi rod. I'm going to bend it like a hook, and I'm going to wrap my hair going backwards. Now watch how I'm wrapping it. As I'm wrapping, I'm twisting, and I'm making sure that my twists are tight. So then I just bend the ends to secure it in place, and then this is how it should look. Now, the reason why I twist it as I wrap it is because that's what's going to give it like the wavy look and not the curly look. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but when I'm wrapping my hair on the flexi rods, I'm wrapping it going backwards throughout my whole head. So this hair that I'm using, it's Malaysian natural wave hair. It's 2 bundles and a closure. I have a 16-inch, 14-inch, and a 10-inch closure. If you want to see how I make this wig, I will list it below. So this is how it looks once I'm all done. I let the flexi rods sit overnight. Once I took them out, this is how the wig looked. So the only thing that I've done was take the flexi rods out. I have not pulled the curls apart or anything. I'm going to get it stationed on my head first. Then I'm just going to use my fingers to separate the hair. Now you need to know the more you separate, the bigger it's going to get. I love the way these waves looked. They fell to like a really nice big wave. So I like to pull mine out a lot because I like big hair. So what I'm doing now is just fluffing my roots. I did flip my head over to shake it out, which gave it a lot more body, which you can see. And then basically I'm done. All I have to do is, fix my lace closure and blend my wig with my hair. And this is the finished look. It looks really nice. I love the waves. I hope this video helps somebody out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you guys later. Bye.